12 phrasal verbs. You'll use every day. Learn them now. Hello and welcome. Today we're going to learn 12 phrasal verbs you'll use every day. Common, useful, and easy to remember. These phrasal verbs will help you sound more natural, speak more like a native, and feel more confident. Some phrasal verbs have more than one meaning. For each, I'll give you simple definitions and clear example sentences. This way, you'll know exactly how to use them in real conversations. Let's get started and make your English even better, right now. 1. Run away. Meaning 1. To leave a place secretly or suddenly. Example: the child ran away from home last night. Meaning 2. To avoid a problem. Example: you can't just run away from your problems, you need to face them. 2. Kick off. Meaning to start something like an event. Example: let's kick off the meeting with some quick updates. 3. Wake up. Meaning 1. To stop sleeping and become awake. Example: I wake up 7 a.m. every day. Meaning 2. To start paying attention or be more alert. Example: the teacher told the students to wake up and pay attention. 4. Run into. Meaning 1. To meet someone unexpectedly. Example: I ran into my old friend at the coffee shop yesterday. Meaning 2. To experience a problem or difficulty. Example: we ran into some technical problems during the project. 5. Talk through. Meaning to discuss something in detail. Example: let's talk through your ideas and see which one is best. 6. Put up with. Meaning to tolerate something unpleasant. Example: I can't put up with the loud noise anymore. 7. Deal with. Meaning to handle or solve a problem. Example: we need to deal with the problem before it gets worse. 8. Block out. Meaning to ignore or not think about something. Example: he blocked out the noise and focused on his work. 9. Look for. Meaning to try to find something or someone. Example: I am looking for my keys because I need to leave the house. 10. Put off. Meaning to delay or postpone something. Example: we had to put off the trip because of the rain. 11. Carry on. Meaning to continue doing something. Example: please carry on with your work while I'm away. 12. Turn down. Meaning to refuse or reject something. Example: he turned down the invitation to the party. Keep practicing these phrasal verbs every day, and your English will sound more natural and confident. Learning a language takes time. Every small step counts. So keep going, stay curious, and don't give up. You've got this. Thank you.